All right, for this balloon, I'm going to use 4 260s, 3 yellow, and 1 white. All right, so for that first yellow, blow it up with about 4 fingers lengths left, and then do the same for that second one. The third one can have a little left over at the end there. And then the white just needs to be about this long here. So I bring a little more air than that. All right, start with that first balloon that has about 4 fingers at the end there. And we're going to start with a loop twist. Go ahead and tie that in. And then I like to push that nozzle through a couple times to lock it in place. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side there. So I'm prepping the balloon and go ahead and twist again so it matches the same loop twist. All right, go ahead and do a 1-inch bubble there and pinch twist that. And then bring the other balloon right around there so it looks like that. Okay, now you're going to twist there with about 4 fingers distance across. And make one more 1-inch bubble there. And go ahead and pinch twist that. That's going to be the top of the head. Now match the other side there, bring it down and twist it in. And I just twist the whole head around there, just like that. All right, now you're going to do the bill. So you want to bring that out quite a bit, and you're going to make another loop twist, as long as you want the bill to be. I'm doing about this far out. Now twist that in. Nice and snug there. And then you can go ahead and pull that excess off. And then just tie that in place. Bring it around a few times. Then I'm just bringing all the pieces together where I want them to be. So it's going to look like a duck head. All right, bring that white balloon in now. And you're going to put that nozzle in right at the bottom of those 2 eyes. Right above the bill. All right, so you're making 2 bubbles there and you're locking it in place on that top pinch twist. And make sure those 2 white bubbles are the same size. So I'll do that again there and then twist it in down at the bottom right above the duck bill. Secure it in place and then pop that off. All right, so now you have the duck head. All right, bring in that next yellow balloon, same distance as the first one, same air in it. And then we're going to lock it in right at the bottom of the head there. So go ahead and just bring that nozzle in there somewhere, wrap it around. So it sticks straight down below the head. All right, make a twist there, somewhere around 5 finger lengths down. And then do a 1-inch bubble that you're going to pinch twist. All right, now you're going to do the body here. So twist about there. And then do another 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that. All right, bring the other side back around to make a wider body there. Do the same size bubble on the other side and twist that in. All right, now bring a third bubble back around. This one's going to be a little bit bigger than those two we just made. So twist where you want to, and then secure it into that pinch twist we made earlier. So it looks like this. And then bring the tail up. Now we're going to prep that and then make a loop twist right there. I like to make it about this size. Not too big, not too little for the duck tail. Take the excess off there and tie that in. Make your adjustments. I like to get the bill looking like that. All right, grab that next yellow balloon. This one has less air in it. And we're going to start by doing a small loop twist there. And this is going to be one of the feet. Tie that nozzle around, lock it in place, and then do a little bubble there, and then pinch twist that. All right, you're going to stick that end there right through that space we created underneath the body there and above the belly. Now bring those legs back around, and we're going to see where we want to twist here. So twist right there so it matches up. And now you're going to make a 1-inch bubble there, just like we did on the other foot. And then we're also going to make that small loop twist to finish off the foot. And we don't need this section, so we'll go ahead and take that off. Just pull it apart. Make sure you tie it, and then wrap it in. All right, I like to bring those feet together there, so I just twist them in place. And then I just adjust where I need to, facing the feet straight out, and those pinch twists in the back there. All right, now we just need to draw some eyes and we'll be done. So you can be creative with this. I'm just going to do some basic eyes here with eyebrows. And that is the duck.